A very good morning, class 5 children. We did a worksheet on direct indirect in which I made you understand what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Now in this worksheet we have already done the direct speech definition, indirect speech definition, and the rules for changing the direct speech to indirect speech. And we did these words also. Now we will be rewriting these following sentences in the indirect speech. Now, this worksheet we will start, which is very important, and please do it in your grammar notebook as per I am telling you. I'll just listen to the video carefully. You will understand what these direct indirect are. Rewrite the following sentences in indirect form, indirect speech. Okay, children? The first word is Joe said I need a clean shirt. Joe said Joe said I need a clean shirt. Now Joe ने कहा, सीधा डायरेक्ट कहा तो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में कहा आई नीड अ क्लीन शर्ट. इन यही स्टेटमेंट कही तो वो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में है और फुल स्टॉप है. Joe said, comma, inverted commas begin, I need a clean shirt, inverted commas close, full stop. Now, what will be the indirect speech of this sentence? Joe said, now what will you put? That, no inverted commas, no comma, straight away. Dan said that I need, third person is saying about Dan, so it will be he needed a shirt, he needed a clean shirt. Clear, children? Next, Joe said to Jenny, Joe said to Jenny, we will have to hire a taxi. Joe said to Jenny, we will have to hire a taxi. Inverted commas begin and inverted commas close. Joe said to Jenny. So Joe told Jenny that we have to. We का क्या हो जाएगा? That they would have to hire. They would have to. Will का would हो जाएगा. They would have to hire a taxi. Okay, children. Number 3. Mother said, I'm looking for her keys. Mother said, I'm looking for her keys. Now, इसमें क्या होगा? Mother told that she was looking for their keys. Okay. She was looking for her car keys. No, for her car keys. Not there. That she was looking for. Mother said that she was looking for her car keys. Now question number 4. Karan said to Kanya, I did my homework last evening. Karan told Kanya that he had done his homework the previous evening. Last का क्या हो जाएगा? The previous evening. You can check up the chart. Look here. Last evening का क्या हो जाएगा? The previous night. Last night, so last evening, the previous evening. Okay, children? So we have done these. Now where are we? Mother said that she was looking for her keys. Now fourth also. Karan told Kanya that he had done his homework. The previous evening. Last evening का क्या हो जाएगा? The previous evening. So this is one exercise. You have to do it in your grammar copy. Now the next is request. If there is an indirect speech and there is a request in the sentence, that is please, sorry, then let us see how do we write indirect speech. Now, in request, please pass me the salt, said Mary to John. Mary told John to pass her the suit. Where is it? Yes. No, it is where is the sentence? Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt, said Mary to John. Mary told John to pass her the salt. Mary is a girl, so it will be her. And please अगर होगा तो हम straight away to से इसको finish करते हैं. Mary told John to pass her the salt. Next question. His sister said to him, please wait me near the bus stop. His sister told him to wait. His sister said to him, please wait. His sister requested him to wait for her near the bus stop. May I speak to the manager, please? Said the lady. The lady requested to speak to the manager. After this, fourth is, please help me to cross the road. The old man was said to the. Now, in this, the old man requested him to help him to cross the road. Okay, children, these are request indirect speech. Now you have question mark, commands, and exclamatory statement. These three we will read, and then there is a worksheet also. So we will do this slowly. Today we have taken simple direct to indirect speech, and second we have taken is, what have we taken? Request indirect speech. So 2 you have done. Please do this first in your copy so that I can ask you in the oral, you are able to answer. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.